Look at my picture, Leo.
In a minute, Maya. Look at my big tower.
It is very tall. Be careful, don't drop it.
Did you hear that sound?
Yes, what was that?
Maybe it was your tablet.
Oh, Max is on the sofa. Max, step down.
He is Red Hat again.
He looks like a real chef.
A very cute chef. Who is that? Let's go look. Maya, come here. Look outside.
What is it, Leo?
There is a big red car outside the house.
Who is at the door? Let's go see.
Hello, is this the right house? I have a pizza delivery for Maya.
A pizza delivery? But I did not order any food.
I think you used your tablet 10 minutes ago. Look at the receipt.
Wait, how many pizzas are here?
50! 50 large pepperoni pizzas.
50 pizzas? Are you sure?
Maya, I think Max was tapped the screen with his paw. How many pizzas can we eat? We 2. What do we do with 48 extra pizzas?
We need a plan. We cannot throw this food. Let's bring them to the park.
Okay, Leo, grab the boxes.
Wait, where is Max?
He is not under the table. Max, where are you? Look! One pizza box is missing and the front door is wide open. Oh no, he took a pizza and ran outside.
Are you sure?
Yes, look at the floor. There are little dog paw prints leading to the park. Max is missing, and he has a pizza delivery of his own. We must find him.
Where did he go, Pat?
Look over there, under the big tree. I got you! I am so relieved you are safe. But Max, you cannot run away with a whole pizza delivery.
Is this your dog? He is very generous. He brought us an afternoon snack.
Thank you for helping us eat all these pizzas.
How many pizzas were there again?
50. Are you sure you want another slice?
Yes, please! This is the best park party ever!
Max was a naughty dog today, but he made everyone in the neighborhood happy.
Yes, it was a crazy mistake, but it turned into a wonderful day.
Good job, Chef Max!
Woo, woo.
That was a big surprise. Max ordered too much food today.
Now we have a question for you.
How many pizzas did Max accidentally order with the tablet? Write your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.